Before I start my discussion, first I have a question. What do you prefer? A gasoline car or a battery electric car? In this video, I am going to discuss the different effects in the environment of the two different cars. Since the evolution of car began, automobile became part of everyday life of every people. It becomes in demand. For us to further understand the difference of the two, a union of concerned scientists studied the global warming emission of each vehicle. They studied about manufacturing, driving, and disposal. A gasoline-powered car are producing pollution with every gallon of gas they burned, and more emission was coming from extracting, refining, and transporting the fuel to gas stations. Meanwhile, the electric cars was only run on electricity. According to the study, an electric car are way more cleaner because 2/3 of Americans live in regions where charging an electric car produces fewer global warming emission. Is it true? By the end of lives of the two cars, the average of global warming emissions of gasoline got 57 tons compared to battery electric car that produces 28 tons only. In the result, the electric car reduced 50% global warming emissions of gas-powered car. Another question is, do electric cars really help the environment? Yes, an electric car don't run on gasoline, but did you know that according to Vinod Khosla, a green venture capitalist, said that electric cars are cold power cars? Another research in Proceeding of National Academy of Sciences found that while gasoline cars pollute closer to home, coal-fired power are actually pollutes more. As the research estimates that if the US has 10% more gasoline cars in 2020, 870 people will die each year because of pollution. But if US has 10% more electric car produced, 1,617 more people will die every year, twice as many deaths. This is the reality of electric car. Cut almost no CO2, cost taxpayer a fortune, but the most issue here, electric car generates more air pollution than traditional gasoline car. Let me ask you again this time. What do you prefer, an electric car or a gasoline-powered car? Again, I am Kyla Camille Umel from Bet at AT and S1AC. Thank you.